paint my DIY stuff. This is the hoist, and also this is the ship bending brake, and also part of this steel material area of the injection molding machine, 3 machines, and the holes was painted with the back painting or coating. This also acts as a anti-rusting stuff. Later on, I will paint the gray color. Here all the painting work we are done, and this is the bending brake, and some parts were taken out for spraying. Here's some area was painted, not wood. And for the injection molding machines, I didn't take out the parts because the assembly is difficult, and I need to do some protection here for the post or steel post. I need to cover by paper or some here, these painting tabs, and here the rack here, it holds all the control houses and holes, so I need to use a small tap brush to paint it. It takes more time for me to do the painting on these machines. It's good to do in that methods as well, because if some assembly positions I don't want to take at the painting on it, so I will do it like that. I just paint on the exploded areas. All the painting was completed. And this one. Thank you for your watching. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.